Hiya and welcome to my view on a Thursday evening. That is my wife's car. What's on fire is a car that's pulled up in the street alongside her, about 3 feet away. My God, I was saying some prayers. We just spent nearly £1,000 getting this car serviced and new tyres. Right, so this video is an insurance nightmare. I thought I took out fully comprehensive insurance so that I was covered for everything. So here's what's left of the car that pulled up alongside my wife's car that was parked here. Absolutely nothing. Now here's the damage to the wife's car: front wing, door, wing mirror, and the plastic that goes up the A post. Alright, like from this angle you can see not too much damage. So I think, simple case, get in touch with the insurance, a few £100 and a garage will have it repaired. I mean, it's a bit of spray and a wing mirror, front wing's plastic. How much could it cost? A week after reporting it to the insurance and hearing nothing, I got back in touch with them. Instantly I was phoned up by Copart, who said they would come and collect my car. Copart's a salvage yard. So I explained to Copart, no, I don't want you to collect it, I want the car fixed. They said, no, it's going to be written off. I said, but no one's assessed the damage. They said it doesn't matter, it's caught fire. I say, no, it hasn't caught fire, it's been next to a car that's caught fire. And this story just goes on and on and on. The insurance company will not believe that the car didn't catch fire. All they're willing to pay out for is total loss, and they won't tell me before they take the car away how much they're going to pay me. So I'm not letting them take the car. I end up repairing this car for about £130. It is ridiculous. Even when I contacted the complaints department and said, your people keep saying it's caught fire, it hasn't, they replied and said, your car has caught fire. Ridiculous. So let's get on with the repair. I apologise in advance for any dodgy camera work, but the camera person is only 7 years old. So first things first, let's get that buckled plastic front wing.
Plastic rubbish.
And the plastic A-post cover. Luckily, I found both these plastic panel replacement parts in the right colour. Ideally, you'd want to be doing this in a garage, or at least in a driveway. I haven't got a garage or a driveway, so I'm doing it in the street next to the road, which really ain't the best. But needs must.
Yay!
Now it's time, with the assistance from the foreman that you may have seen in my conservatory build series, to get the new second-hand plastic wing on the car. I think I'm about 30 minutes into the job at this point. Got to snap it into place where it joins the bumper, line the holes up and put all the bolts that I took out the other one back in.
Video on you?
Yep.
And move on to that plastic A-post cover. Nice and easy, it is. Snaps into place, and then 3 or 4, can't remember, screws. Now, I've got a bit of OCD and I can't have the wife driving around in a carbless state. So, until I find a front door to replace this in the right colour, I'm going to get this sanded down, sealed up and painted in the right colour until I can find another new second-hand one. Now I'm also working against the clock here because I do have to go to work in about 3 hours. It is also due to rain in about 2 hours. So yeah, I'm up against it. The eagle-eyed among you may have noticed I've changed that wing mirror. That was just one bolt on the inside. So that's on, so the wife can use the car next week. I taped around it and give it a good old undercoat. And this amount of protection works for the next month or so until I get a good day where I can spray it properly. So here's the good day, giving it another go. Alright, there was also a little bit of peeling on the top of the passenger rear door. So another coat of undercoat and then onto the top coat. Right, please remember, I'm not a professional. Right, now, it comes out looking like this. This is from the black metallic spray. And I've got to give it a clear coat. And again, the weather gets to me. So, there's the first clear coat. I still have to give it another coat of clear coat, unfortunately. But it is about to rain. So, not today. And also, unfortunately, not in this video. So this is what it looks like at the moment, but we will be moving forward in the next video. I'll give it another clear coat and I will show you how to rub the clear coat down with very fine sandpaper so that you can achieve a near factory finish. I will also be showing you how to restore the front headlights that are currently green. So please do subscribe, like and watch the next video. As you can see here, it is raining. This is an hour and 15 minutes after I finished the 2K clear coat. Right, join me soon for part 2. And a big thank you to my camera person.